This is salty, savory, fluffy, pillowy, and it's so soothing in your mouth as you eat it. This is my steamed egg Korean style. Hey guys, welcome to Flavour Fridays. My name is Ryan, and today we're gonna do some new cooking. So, we're gonna make some steamed eggs Korean style. So before that, I would love to explain this beautiful stoneware. So this stoneware or earthware is a typical thing that Koreans used to do to make bibimbap or any other dishes, but essentially you can use it to make the steamed egg we're making today. So you need to beat your eggs first, around 4 to 5 eggs, depending on the size of the egg. So after you beat on your eggs, we're gonna follow by that with a cup of stock. You can use any stock, but I personally like chicken stock because it's more milder and it gives it that umami-ness that I need. And then we're gonna add a little bit of fish sauce. Each egg you add around 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, all right? So I added 5 eggs, so I'm gonna add around 5 tablespoons of fish sauce. Now all you have to do is chop 1 spring onion, finely chopped into nice thin rings. Of course, add majority of them in and keep like a quarter for garnish. And last but not least, just whisk it up. So once you added all your ingredients, now you're gonna put it on the hob, like so. Just watch out that it doesn't fall. You're gonna turn the flame in a medium low, and we're gonna let that cook for around 12 to 13 minutes. And make sure you have something like a dome like this to cover it on top so that you can actually steam the egg. So, while that is steaming, I'm just gonna quickly explain about this dish. Traditionally, you'll have it in the stoneware like I said before, but you'll pair it with some fluffy rice as well. This is usually like a light dish that you'll have in like restaurants or in like Korean cafes. But this is a very good for like something healthy. If you want just like egg, this is a very good dish. What we were gonna get is this egg's gonna kind of rise up a little bit and it's gonna be very fluffy, all right? It is steamed egg. It is not our traditional Chinese or Taiwanese steamed egg, which is like a pudding-like, but it's more like a omelette consistency. But it will kind of rise up and then you will see like kind of like a layer of egg on top. All right guys, now it's been 12 minutes. We're gonna check on our egg. It should be like a little dough. Watch out, this is gonna be hot. Wow, and look at that. That is just beautiful. So, like I said, I have some reserved garnish. Just gonna put it on the top. And last but not least, I got some sesame oil. And that's gonna give it that nice and beautiful earthy note. So just drizzle that on the top, guys. Look at that. Ooh. This is what we call a money shot. And that's it. This is the fluffy steamed egg from Korea. And guys, check this out. Look at that jiggle. Wow. Now it's time to taste. Look at that. So, before you taste, you can always play with your food a little bit. Just don't let your parents see it. Just go like boing, boing, boing. All right, all jokes aside, time to taste. And look at that. Still very juicy and very hot. So I'm gonna get a smaller bite. There we go. Cheers to this. That is really good. It's soft, it's pillowy, it's savory, it's fluffy, it's just so soothing in your mouth. This is really delicious. This pairs off very good with rice. Thank you for watching Flavour Friday, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful recipe with my fluffy egg. And let us know down below, what is your favorite go-to meal?